It's really amazing, and I think it's all to do with my destiny. I was always wanting to be a banker. I happened to come to India. I happened to apply for an internship in Yash Raj, and it happened, and then I became an actress. Well, thanks to a person called Manish Sharma and Aditya Chopra, who wanted to cast me in their film. I will do any role that excites me, whether it's in a French film or whether it's in a Bhojpuri film or it's in a Hollywood film. See, my idea of romance in life is just being with the person you love, sitting on the bed watching TV, just eating food. For me, that is very romantic. Very. I'm very desi. It's really amazing, and I think it's all to do with my destiny. I was always wanting to be a banker. I happened to come to India. I happened to apply for an internship in Yash Raj, and it happened, and then I became an actress. I never wanted to be an actor, but then once I became an actor, I wanted everything to go well. So abhi tak it is. I thank God for that. Thank God that it's all going well. To answer your question, from the other side to this side, it's a huge jump, but it's quite unreal, because just like a year and a half ago, I used to do this for other people, and now other people do this for me. They manage interviews or take my interviews. In this case, it feels amazing. If this didn't happen, I would be very depressed, because I never wanted to act, and now that it is happening, I want everything to go well. So thank God. Well, thanks to a person called Manish Sharma and Aditya Chopra, who wanted to cast me in their film. I never had a struggle period, so to say, of auditioning for films, etc., etc. My struggle actually started after Ricky Bell. Ricky Bell mein, I was not the leading actress. I was in a supporting role. But it did very well for me. But I think to give me a role like Ishaqzadeh, it required a huge guts from Habib sir and Adi. Because in Ricky Bell, I don't think I gave them an impression of being a leading heroine of a film. I gave a decent performance, which was, it was that was that. But because of them, I got into this whole auditioning thing. I auditioned for 3-4 months, tested, finally got the film, and it did well. So yeah, I'm happy, but it's very scary. Abhi tak ups have happened, downs have not happened. I don't ever want them to happen, but I think it will. It happens with every actor. It might happen with me also. I'm ready for both. Actually, the only thing that excites me about being an actress is acting on a set. With all due respect, interviews, photo shoots, they don't interest me, they don't excite me as much. I don't think there is very much I can do as an actor in that. Here I can talk about it. In a photo shoot, I can pose well, but I don't have much to do as an actor. As long as that keeps happening in my life, I'll be happy. So I will choose films, I will choose scripts according to how much I can do as an actress. How much work do I have? Do I only have to look pretty? Do I have to only say a few dialogues? Then that doesn't excite me, I'm taking each thing as it comes, but I'm planning also a little. I'm doing a bit of both. I will do any role that excites me, whether it's in a French film or whether it's in a Bhojpuri film or it's in a Hollywood film. Whatever excites me at that point, I will do. See, my idea of romance in life is just being with the person you love, sitting on the bed watching TV, just eating food. For me, that is very romantic, and I don't even think of it as romance. I just think of it as coming back to the person you love. For me, that is very nice. And in this film also, we've kept the romance very real. It's about 3 young people who go through the very real comedies of a romance, a relationship, which is what really excited me about the script also. I saw that the lines that they said, the things that they did, buying groceries, it's things that a boyfriend and a girlfriend do. The problems that they go through, confusion, insecurity, it's things that any boy and girl in a relationship go through. For me, that's very desi. For me, that's very real, which is what really excited me about the film. And that is my own idea also in my life. Very, I'm very desi in my language, in my food habits, in my laziness, in my patriotism, whatever you want to say. I am desi in every way. Yeah, all the time, all the time. Yeah, my parents, people who are in the industry, you know, everybody thinks there is this perfect image that every actress and every actor should have. But if I try and ape that, then I'll be like everyone else, you know. And frankly, I'm too lazy to change so much, you know. So I was given an advice, in fact, by my sister, that always be yourself. And I think that's the biggest thing she could have said to me, because it's just stuck. I know everybody will say, now you're an actress, this is what you should say, this is how you should eat, this is how you should sit, but there's no fun in that. I think being yourself is the best thing to do. Yeah. Many times you, because for almost 2, 3, 4 months when you're shooting the film, you're talking like that person, you're dressing like that person. So yeah, you know, sometimes in real life also somebody may comment saying, Arey, you're talking like your character. You know, that always happens because you're living someone else's life. But that's the most amazing thing of being an actor. You get to be these different people. So it's fun, but then it wears off with the next film. Dimple Chadda, because I'm very close to her in my real life. So I think even till today I talk like her. Well, Shuddh Desi Romance will release 13 September.
देखो मेरे पहले भी अफेयर हुए, कोई अच्छी भी बात नहीं है, और ये लव वगैरह का ख्याली पुलाव मैंने टेस्ट करके पका कर छोड़ दिया.
And then I have Hasi To Fasi with Siddharth Malhotra. Then I have a film with Aditya Roy Kapoor with Yash Raj. Then I have Kill Dil with Ranveer. And then one more film which we have not announced yet.